Divide 944 by 8 in a long division method. 8 times 1 is 8. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down this 4 and it is 14. So 8 times 1 is 8. On subtracting, we get 6. So again we put down this 4 and it is 64. So 8 times 8 is 64. On subtracting, we get 0. So 944 divided by 8 is 118. So this much for today and thanks for watching.